In this lesson, I want to explain about CFC. CFC stands for Continuous Function Chart and is used for programming Siemens chip protector relays. In order to enter the CFC environment, I double-click on this option. As you see, we entered the CFC environment. For CFC programming, we should first configure the information we want to use to CFC in the matrix, which we explained in the session relating to matrix. In the next step, we should create a new CFC chart. These four options you see here are the relay default CFC charts. But in order for us to write our desired program, we should create a new CFC chart. To do so, from Insert option, I select CFC Chart. Well, as you see, a new CFC chart named Cfc4 is created. If I double-click on Cfc4, I'll enter the programming environment. Well, as you see, I entered the CFC Programming environment. In the next step, I have to define a priority class for the created CFC chart. To do so, I select option Open Run Sequence from the Edit menu. As you see, we have four priority classes. We should select one of these classes according to the program we want to write. The first priority class is for measurement. If the program we want to write is about the measuring signals, we should select this priority class. The Fast PLC class has the highest priority and programs with this class are processed first. Signals relating to protection functions should be in this class. Functions defined as slow PLC have a lower priority in processing with respect to fast PLC. For example, timer and clock functions are defined as slow PLC. And generally, slow PLC can be used for any non-protection function. The last type of priority class is interlocking. Functions defined as interlocking type are enabled through a control command. In fact, for programming of open and close commands, we have to use interlocking. Well, assume that we want to select interlocking priority class. To do so, we choose predecessor option in Edit menu. A message appears and we click OK. Again, we enter Edit menu and choose Open Run Sequence. Yes, as you see, it returned to CFC environment. For this CFC, four interlocking classes are set. After we choose the priority class, we should select one of CFC blocks and define its input and output signals.